Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing some off-road outlaws. So today we're going to be using this car again, but we're going to be today changing it into something a bit different. We're going to be changing it into a monster truck. Let's just get straight into it. Well, actually, before we do that, I will have videos be coming up of the certain cars coming out like this. I'll definitely have a video on this. I'll be having a video on this when it comes out. This, definitely. And also, probably not this, but definitely this, because this looks really cool. And yeah, I'll be doing videos on that. I'll also be doing a video on this barn find over here. I just need to get all that. And also, the barn find after is actually a very cool one. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So let's change the tuning on this. Because if you know what we're doing, we're going to have to change it just a little bit. Bit more than a little bit. It will be a lot different. Like, when I say a lot, I mean a lot different. Actually, no. I know what I need to do. I just go buy this. Forgot about that. Luckily, I've got a decent amount of money to back that up. So I think I'll be fine. There we go. That looks a bit more like it. Damping, that's fine. It will always look very weird at the start because I normally do the wheels like after. So it looks very, very, very peculiar. Wait, is this bigger? No, it's not. Okay, and then... Oh my god, that makes it look even weirder. Let's just put it like that. No, I'm joking. Right, wheel radius. This is where it starts to look a bit confusing. Let's put it like that. Right, let's go on to this. I actually want to change a couple of things. For example, this. Should we go for that? Or do we go for... I say we go for that. That's pretty cool. And then this. Let's go for that. Or we might actually put one of those. Do we go for that? I actually say I normally don't like these, but for this reason of what it's going to be, we're going to go for it. Yeah, we're going to go for it. I actually really like how that looks, so I'm going to keep it like that. Right. And that's that. Wait, no, one more thing. Yeah, that would be pretty horrendous if we forgot that. Pretty horrendous. Right, let's get into it. Let's just test it out. Multiplayer, free roam. Where do we go? Let's try it on custom maps actually. Go on the quick race. Just see how good it is at like mud bogging and stuff. Obviously it's pretty big. Pretty big car. And it decides it doesn't want to turn. Oh no, it does a bit more when it's slow. But oh no, restart. Just realised something. Yeah, probably best put that on. Let's go. Huh. See if the landing's good. Oh, the landing's pretty good. Rocket through the mud. But who wouldn't expect that, if I'm honest? Who wouldn't? Just look at it. It really badly wants to pop a wheelie, but it can't quite do it. Like it really, really badly wants to do it. The thing is, you don't particularly need a snorkel with this. Uh-oh. Yep, just about don't need it. You know, it looks really funny. If you do it like this, it looks like a normal car. If the water wasn't as like transparent, it would just look like a normal car. Oh no. This is terrible. This is not going as planned. For some reason, if you put the camera in water, it doesn't like it, and then it makes the noise go on. Right, let's just quickly go back to that. So what I was saying is, if the water wasn't as transparent, you could actually, we'll go on Monster Jam now. It would just look like a normal car, and you could just go out of the water, and there'd just be a massive monster truck underneath. I'm lost. Where am I going? Oh, this is this way, isn't it? So just a moment of me being really stupid. Up we go with ease. It's pretty solid because that was high up and it didn't even bounce that much. Whoa. It doesn't care about the cars. Like, it just honestly doesn't care. Let's chase that monster van, actually. Oh, he had a bit of a tumble on that. Whoa! Oh no. Oh no. Whoa! It's stupidly quick at reversing. You see what I mean? Like, if we look from the side, you'll see it just when it slightly tries to do a wheelie. If we look from the side, when it starts to... That's just body roll, but from the front. You see? It really badly wants to do it, but it can't quite do it. This is going to be cool. Yes. Look how fast it goes backwards. Now that's 45 backwards. Wait, I know what I'm doing. We need to just quickly may as well just take the ramp. Screw it. That would have been cool, but it just looked a bit weird for some reason. Just the landing just looked depressing. Whoa. Sorry guys if it's lagging on your screen a bit. Don't know why it is lagging, but it is. Yeah, I think this is actually, when you turn this into a monster truck configuration, I wasn't expecting it to be that good, but it looks savage and it actually performs really well. Performs a lot better than I thought it would. I didn't think it would feel right, but it actually feels really good. Just a casual wall ride. Jump it. Oh, it nearly made that. Actually, it would probably... Wait, can we just sneakily... No, we're not going to make that. Just can I tow my way through? I've got an idea. Can I... No, okay. Right, I may as well go on to the next map, because honestly, the one problem with this game is it has adverts every time you leave. Every single time. Right, let's go on to that. Actually, I'll go on Rock Park. Let's see if it's any good at this. Because I put, like, I think on stiffness, like 15,000. So that will be... Actually, no, it wasn't 15. Was it 15,000? I can't remember. Can't remember if it was 15,000 or 1,500. I think it might have been 1,500. I'm not going to, like, declare it because someone will probably say you got it wrong or something. So, it's one of the two. Okay, it's pretty rapid. If we can get up this is a pretty... I'd be surprised if it gets up that bit. Yeah. Me thinking I'd get a better camera view. Jeez. Well, this is cool. I quite like that. Let's see if we can just rocket up this. Yep, we can. The funny thing is we actually got some air doing that. Whoa! Just popped a wheelie through the mud. That's the point where it should be going its slowest, and it just popped a wheelie through it. Oh, God. Madman coming in. Jeez. That kind of just was pathetic. Hi. How you doing? Okay. I'll help you. No, apparently I won't. I'll just kill you. Oh no, he's done that bloody thing. Probably just yank him over. Wait, I got an idea. Come on, buddy. Right. Every man for themselves. Good luck. Right, let's attempt this again. Let's try not to fall off. It is pretty rapid at this, I've got to be honest. Maybe too rapid. Maybe you could improve on the brakes there, but oh my gosh! I was going to say maybe you could improve on the brakes. But, oh my... Wait, we could probably get up here quicker actually. I don't think that guy's got that car upgraded at all except from a paint job, honestly. Unless he's just tried to keep it as stock as possible. Just, do you mind? Oh my god. Hi. No, I don't... This kid's so annoying. You know what? I'm gonna winch him to Narnia. Come with me. Yeah. You come with me. Now you're getting triggered. Go away. Now he's just trying to harass someone else. He's chasing someone down with a trailer. Overall, this is probably competing with the school bus monster truck. Actually, it's pretty good. I love the detail in this game because look, it even puts the flaps down when you accelerate and stuff. It's quite cool. Just pretty sick. This. Wait, someone just stuck down there. Oh no, they vanished. So I think this is a pretty cool car. I'd recommend it. And yeah. Right, I actually really badly need to test if I can get up this. This is the ultimate scrambling test. Rock scrambling. If we can get up this, it's good. I bet quite a lot of things could get up here what I test if I just put the proper rock climbing tyres on. Because these aren't Pacific rock climbing ones. There's better ones for this. But it's fine. we can cope. Actually, if this can... Ooh, that's pretty good, that. The thing is, when these things get so good, you can actually just keep them in high through the mud. It's pretty mental. Okay, that's some severe suspension flex, jeez. The one problem with this is it's literally its enemy is a turning circle. It's its own enemy, and that's its turning circle, literally. It is so bad at turning. And it's got so much power. It, like, every time, quite a lot of the time, it just decides it wants to do a wheelie. Because quite a lot of the time, if you put a trailer on something like this, it will do non-stop wheelies. It's crazy. It's pretty fast. It was fast on our other configuration, but that's expected, really, isn't it? Because if you go from wide body drift car / drag car type thing to monster truck, it's going to be an obvious seeable difference. Hey, what's this guy driving? I want to try chase him down. Come back! Oh, there's a convoy. This guy's really struggling. Oh no, he's just waiting for his friend or something. What is it me or is there just so many people here? What's he got on here? Longhorn area. What? I don't even get that. Wait, I've got one more challenge for this thing. The inner just absolute poorness of that turning circle actually helped. It turned at the exact perfect rate. Is that a Jeep? I think it is. I'm just gonna go over you guys, just going a bit slow. Gone the wrong way. Sorry. I think these guys are trying to do it realistic, and then there's just me being annoying. Could I just get round here, please? Ugh. Thank you. And yeah, I think I'll end it there, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe and like if you want to. I'm trying to hit a subscriber goal of 10 subscribers by the end of the year, so if you want to help out, you can. And I'll see you next time.